Hello friends, let us start with the third application of operational amplifier, that is voltage follower. So operational amplifier can be used as voltage follower as shown in circuit diagram. This is a circuit diagram of voltage follower where the non-inverting terminal, that is positive terminal of operational amplifier, is connected to the input voltage V in, and the inverting terminal, that is negative terminal of op amp, is connected to the output, which makes a negative feedback. So we know that the negative feedback is nothing but the output voltage is connected to the negative terminal, that is inverting terminal of op amp. This configuration we are calling it as a negative feedback. So the definition of voltage follower says that the output voltage V naught will be equals to the input voltage V in. That is, output voltage follows input voltage. Such configuration of operational amplifier is called as voltage follower. So you can see in the waveform here, both input and output voltages are in same phase, as well as the magnitude of both the waveforms are same. So by this we can define voltage follower such that the output voltage is equals to input voltage, that is V out equals to V in. V out is output voltage and V in is input voltage. So therefore the voltage gain, we have defined voltage gain as it is a ratio of output voltage to input voltage. So with that, AV, that is voltage gain of voltage follower, is equals to 1 because V out is equals to V in. So you can ask me how the voltage gain is equals to 1, how the output voltage equals to input voltage. So if you look at the circuit diagram, the voltage at point A in circuit is VA equals to V out. Why? Because the point A is connected, that is inverting terminal is connected to the output voltage V naught. So that is what the output, that is VA is equals to V out. According to virtual ground concept, we can say that whatever the voltage we are having at the non-inverting terminal must be equals to the inverting terminal also. That is nothing but the voltage at point B must be equals to voltage at point A. Then at voltage at point B we are having the voltage as of V in. Then Phoebe equals to VA equals to V in. Then already we know that VA is nothing but the output voltage. Then by these two equations, so we can equate all these like VA equals to Phoebe equals to V out, that is equals to V in. That means we can say that output voltage is equals to input voltage. So from this we can have a voltage gain AV as V out divided by V in is equals to 1. So because of this gain of the voltage as 1, so we are calling this voltage follower as unity gain amplifier also. Unity is nothing but 1, where the voltage gain is 1. That's what we are calling this op amp configuration as unity gain amplifier. And the application of this voltage follower is, this can be used wherever the impedance matching is required between two circuits. That time we are going to use the voltage follower circuit. Thank you.